Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your LENOVO Tab P11 Gen. So, we're going to start from the Adobe Edge. Sorry, Microsoft Edge, my bad. In this web browser you have to click I think here on the 3 dot icon and choose New in Private tab. That's it, just type your address and you are in home. Okay, now the Firefox. In this welcome screen, just click here on this row mask. If the background is purple, blue, that means you are in the Incognito mode. But if you have any tab opened, you can also click here, switch to the Zero mask and add a tab. The next one is Google Chrome. Click on the 3 dot icon or arrow icon and choose Incognito tab. That's it. And the last one, the Opera. In the Opera you have to click here on the 3 dot icon, sorry, not here, go to the taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab. And now your history, completed forms, even the word from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment and goodbye.